Man will serve 8 years in federal prison for child pornography. Prosecutors say they were alerted of a graphic video sent by Robert Blessing online in 2023. Investigators searched his home and found more than 2,000 sexual images of minors. After his sentence, Blessing will serve 6 years of supervised release.